Hey everyone, I am Jeff Nelson, Realtor with IXL Real Estate Eastern Shore, and this is
Dan Henry with Advanced Mortgage Company.
We are here on this crisp, cold Thursday morning. Is it Thursday? No, it's Friday.
It's Thursday morning.
Thursday.
Yes, it is.
Anyway, we see some changes happening in the mortgage industry, and we're here for our weekly update. So I want to let Dan kind of take over. I might slip in with a couple questions here and there. So what's going on, Dan?
So yes, he is correct. The rates have dropped about 0.5% to where they were 6 months ago, and what I'm seeing is they've been holding that 0.5 point lower rate for a little while steadily. So we know that they're going to come back down even further. The election is going to bring them down, but overall within the next 12 to 18 months we see them coming down a good bit more than that. So I also wanted to talk about our Rate Guard for Life program, which we've talked about a couple times. What that means is anybody that wants to buy a house or refinance right now, but buy a house with these interest rates are automatically enrolled in our Rate Guard for Life program with Advanced Mortgage Company. And what that means is when the rates come back down even further, we'll redo your loan for you. We'll refinance you without the lender fee, the processing fee, or appraisal fee. So in essence, it's going to be a really low cost refinance. So you kind of get the best of both worlds there. So
that's kind of like a no-brainer. I mean, if you ask me, I mean, it just really, I don't know of anybody doing that. So
yeah, and they're not. A lot of companies are losing money right now. We're no different than that, but we are looking at the big picture down the road when things stabilize. We want people's business for the long haul, and that's what we're seeing. People coming around right now that need money for refinancing. We look at different situations. Every situation is different, but again, right now the rates are a little bit lower than they were 6 months ago by about 0.5%, and our Rate Guard for Life program, very strong program right now, especially.
Awesome. As a realtor, I always talk about the do's and don'ts of buying a home, and really the first thing that I advise people to do, everybody's going to, go online and look at houses and that type of thing, but the very first thing that every home buyer should do is get pre-qualified and pre-approved. I mean, number one, because you don't want to fall in love with a property and then find out maybe you don't qualify for it, or you might go on the other side of the coin too. You might qualify. You might can afford more house. So I always suggest that, getting that done quick.
Such a good point Jeff just brought up. And it takes, with us, you can call me anytime. You get pre-qualified, and then you'll know exactly what you're looking for. Whether you buy a house or not, it's good to know what you're qualified for, and that's what we do. It takes just a short period of time, and then you can go shopping and know exactly what you're gonna get. So
awesome. Well, I got the rates here, but I want to say that as always, in the description below is going to be all of Dan's information, his website. You can click on it and you can get pre-qualified there, but he's very easy to access. So give him a call on the cell phone, which will be below, and then my information's there too when you're ready to go shopping after you get pre-qualified, of course. And we'll go shopping and go find you your dream house. So here are the rates for this week. Look a lot better than last time. So the 30-year fixed is 6.64%, 15-year fixed 6.05, 30-year jumbo 7.01, 30-year FHA 6.10, 30-year VA 6.11. So folks, there you have it for this week, and got a lot of things coming. We're coming up on Christmas next week, and I personally am making plans to amp up the video series. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do, but I'm just going to say I'm amping it up. So please subscribe. There's going to be a ton of information in the future. If you think there's a lot now on our channel, there's going to be a lot more to come. So anyway, love to work with you. Give Dan a call, give me a call, and let's go to work. We'll talk to you later.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.